Hey guys, this is QuickHuber1, and today we're going to be showing you an intense car collision that just happened recently, just half an hour ago. And here's a close-up look. Right there. So close. Apparently a car literally flipped on its side, and it's on its side right now. We just can't get that perfect view. Here, I'll see if I can get it. Okay, come on. Yo.
Hey, a cookie. A cookie.
Random cookie just found. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hi, this guy.
Oh. There's the car. There's the car. Okay, so the car's right over there.
There's a car.
Completely flipped. Like you can literally see the entire thing. It's a huge car crash. There's like about, I don't know, 10 police cars. Ask that guy if he's on YouTube. Ask that guy if he's on YouTube.
Why don't you? Okay, we need a way better view.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Are you putting this on YouTube? Stop that. Random YouTuber. Oh yeah, this is terrible. Yo, and I'm pretty sure there's like 10 other YouTubers like somewhere hidden here just watching.
Someone will have it on YouTube, like the city, because of the.
Oh, okay.
There's a car crash.
Oh, okay, so yeah, traffic stopped. Yeah, traffic's completely stopped, and we're still waiting. Here, let's go.
No, stay here. They're gonna tow it.
Oh, come on, over here.
Oh,
Intense traffic. Oh gosh. Okay, they're gonna tow it. Let's see this.
Mark. Red Beetle is provided by driver. That wasn't good.
Towing.
Okay, so there's the tow truck.
There's another one over there. Okay, there goes the bus.
Just watching this happen. If it car crashes. And there's the car. Oh, I never knew they put a wheel on the back of it. Under it.
Yeah, everyone knows.
Okay. Oh god.
There's a car.
Oh, look at that door. Look at that door. I mean, like, look at it. Look at it.
Here comes the tow truck.
Look at it. Oh god. Paramedics, cars, bus. You got it all here. Squeezed up. Oh, punch buggy, no punch backs.
Ow. It's not even a buggy, it's like...
Punch buggy, dudes. Punch buggy.
Okay.
Do you see the punch buggy? Punch buggy. Punch buggy, no punch backs.
Look.
Car, punch buggy, no punch backs. Whoa. Okay, they're getting ready to tow the truck. I mean the car.
Oh, Jesus.
And getting it ready.
Why is there sand under it? There it goes.
Oh, almost there. Oh, he's towing the truck. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's gonna come out of that guy's insurance. What's with the sand?
What's with the sand?
Hello, friendly police officer. Punch buggy, no punch backs. Punch buggy, no punch backs. Alright, he's connected it. Okay, they're gonna flip the car. This is it, guys. They're gonna flip the car.
No, back up.
This is it. Okay, back up. Hello, friendly police officer. Punch buggy, no punch backs.
Okay, shut up, man.
Alright, they're doing this. Oh, they're lifting it.
This is gonna be epic.
Dude, my hands can't stop shaking.
Yo, go over here.
No, dude, you're messing with my camera. Okay?
Okay, it's moving.
Yo, it's moving! It's moving!
Way to put it in park? Oh, I can't get out the window.
So I've never seen a car flip before in real life. This is my chance. And all you YouTubers
look.
watching this,
Shut up, just
Oh.
look at this guy. He's climbing on the car.
yo, he's coming. Oh God.